In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet data to Tableau and start building a visualization. To begin, open Tableau on your computer and wait for the start page to load. This is where you'll manage connections to different types of data, including files, servers, and online platforms. If Tableau is already open, just return to the main connection area so you can start from the beginning. Once you're on the start page, go to the Connect section. If you don't immediately see Smartsheet listed as an option, select More Data Sources. This opens the full list of available connectors in Tableau. From there, use the search bar and type in Smartsheet. This is the quickest way to find the connector without scrolling through the entire list. When Smartsheet appears, click it to begin the connection process. Tableau will prompt you to sign into your Smartsheet account. Go ahead and complete the sign in using your normal account credentials through the secure login window. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces or environments. After signing in, Tableau will ask for permission to access your Smartsheet data. This step is important because Tableau needs authorization in order to read the sheets, reports, or workspace content available in your Smartsheet account. Review the access request, then allow Tableau to continue. If your organization uses additional security settings, you may need to complete that verification before moving on. Once access is granted, Tableau will display the Smartsheet content available for connection. At this point, choose the sheet, report, or workspace data you want to use. Take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the correct source, because this is the data Tableau will bring into your workbook. If you're working with several similarly named assets, double check before loading anything. After you've made your selection, load the data into Tableau. Tableau will connect to the source and prepare it for analysis. Once the data is loaded, you can start building your visualization using charts, filters, dimensions, and measures just like you would with other connected data sources. That's the full process. Open Tableau, find the Smartsheet connector, sign in, approve access, choose your data, and load it into your workbook. From there, you're ready to explore the data and turn it into useful visual insights.